Hello guys, and welcome to my next Slayer guide. So for the first time we will be killing one of the elite mobs that came to the game 2 months ago, so on the 1st of November with Raptor. And this time around we'll be killing living wyverns. So as you can see, Morgan assigned 48 of them to me, and basically I'll guide you through some of the kills. For the kills we'll be using melee setup because I always use melee even though their weakness is magic, more on that later. So bundle set, chaotic rapier, Xalem surgeon string, Tyranqueer number 4, blood amulet of fury, Maxscape, penance aura, mighty slayer helmet and superior scrimshaw or vampirism. In our inventory some monkfish, lots of sharks, Sarah brew and super restore flask combination, overload flask, prayer renewal flask with prayer flask, and then 2 task related items, Wurmfire potion and anti-poison plus. Other than that I have charming imp, spring cleaner, bone crusher because I always crush wyvern bones, and then Hordstalker ring for quick access to their cave. So you can use your Hordstalker ring and go to the Asgardian Ice dungeon, that's the quickest way to get there. Also you can use Portzarim, Lodestone or Mudskipper Point Fairy Ring. So as you can see you are now in the northern part of the cave and you want to go southeast and then southwest, as you'll soon see. Basically 4 elite mobs came into the game, and just to be clear, I don't like doing them. I don't like doing them because the amount of effort and the time you put in isn't really worth the payout. You can get extremely lucky and you can get the Wyvern crossbow on this task, of course, which is currently at 46 million GP at Grand Exchange, but it's sold around 80 still, I think. And you can get the Raptor key part number 1 to unlock Raptor's chest. Other than that you won't even make 1 million GP most of the time on this task. Charms are kind of okay, and really the main point of this task is the experience, because with each kill you get almost 2500 melee or combat experience and around 1878 Slayer experience, so that's really great. So be sure to pot up, activate your aura and scrimshaw before entering the first cave, because you really won't have much time to do that later, especially if you have this amount of potions and items you need to equip and activate. So upon entering the first cave, go to the southwest side of it and then climb down this hole. So I did mess up in this video because you don't want to be using soul split. As you enter you want to use protect from magic, and then when you come close to the wyvern you want to be using protect from melee. In combination with that, and because you have bone crusher and penance aura, you can safely use turmoil because you'll get all your slayer prayer points back. And then in between kills it's very important to go to the nearest fire pit and light it and stand there. So living wyverns have very high accuracy, 2517, and they can max hit you for 1310 life points. They have 2 special attacks, so they either use their poison attack. If you use your anti-poison plus, it halves the damage of that attack, but nevertheless wyvern's attack reduces the timer on the anti-poison effect, so basically you will never have that 12 minutes of protection from poison. Other than that you use Wurmfire potion to negate the effects of Wurmfire attack, and maybe the most important thing to mention and the most important effect is the cold. So the more time you spend in this cave, the more cold you'll be getting. When you are coldest, so like away from the fire for a long time, you can get stunned for 8 to 10 seconds, and that's pretty long time when you kill wyverns. So that's why the thing that you want to be doing is to run to the fire pit and stand there in between kills and use anticipation to stall your adrenaline. When you are warm, wyvern's poison attack hits tougher. It can hit up to 900, but as I said, if you're using anti-poison plus, you're pretty much better off tanking poison attack than getting stunned every so often. So yeah, basically, as you can see, with some food, and you can bring pack yak for additional food to prolong your trips, you can kill wyverns even using chaotic crossbows and tier 70 armor. So yeah, don't let me stop you from doing these tasks. Try them out, see how you feel about them, and that's about it. Enjoy!